Hi everyone, welcome back to C Science Adora. My name is Nivish of class 9. So today I am going to show you a graphical representation on greenhouse effect. So come on, let's see the video. Global warming and greenhouse effect. Earth, the third planet from the Sun, the only planet having a vast diversity of life forms. While other planets of the solar system are either scorching hot or bitterly cold, Earth has a relatively stable temperature. What is that which is making Earth different? What exactly is making Earth such a favorable place to live on? It is the Earth's atmosphere, which is a thin blanket of air surrounding by the Earth from all four sides. This air is a mixture of many different gases, just like an umbrella which protects us from sun and rain. This thin layer of air protects Earth from harmful radiation from the sun. But this stable temperature is rising every passing years. Oceans are getting warmer. Significant shift in the climate is seen. Why is all this happening? What should be done to stop all this? We will find the answer for all these questions in this video. Earth is constantly bombarded with enormous amount of radiation from the sun, which will be seen in the form of light and heat energy. This radiation in the form of visible ray, infrared ray, UV ray have to first pass the Earth's atmosphere before reaching the surface. The ozone layer, which is present in the Earth's atmosphere, blocks some amount of harmful ultraviolet rays from reaching the surface. Of the remaining rays reaching the surface, part of it is absorbed by the Earth and some, especially the infrared rays, are reflected back into the space. But some gases in the atmosphere traps this heat radiation and re-emits it to the surface, which leads to heating up of the environment. This exchange of incoming and outgoing radiation that warms the earth is referred to as greenhouse effect.